How am I gonna freaking do this? Ew, why am I recording? What's up, y'all? I am back. Okay, love that. I should probably stop filming on my phone. But I don't have a freaking camera. I don't have a freaking G7X. God. So freaking rude, so inconsiderate. Anyways, today I will be making my costume for Halloween. Yes. So I'm going to be Doja Cat for Halloween. I'm going to DIY this. So if you want to know how I made my costume, keep on watching. Okay, so the first step is this lighting. What we're gonna do first is cut out some spots. This is gonna be very difficult for me. I was never good at art. My art teacher hated me, hated all the art I produced. Also keep in mind this is grade 8. I'm in second year now, so oh my god, I just scraped my nail on this staple. Oh, what the frick? Oh, I'm scared. Oh my god, I'm stressed. God, this is so freaking difficult. I haven't even started yet. I'm already like hurting myself. It's not hurting me at all. This is me being a little beep. I keep forgetting that Kobe is literally the top subscriber to this channel, and I can't really be swearing or making like inappropriate jokes. So like, excuse me if I only produce G-rated content. If you want some of my more PG-13 content, DM me for my unlisted videos. There's only one. There's Panda Game. It's out. Oh, I have another one. I can't wait to break my nail from this. I literally just got my nails done. I had 3 broken nails. One of them, the nail tech literally broke as he was like trying to take off the polish or the dip thing, whatever. So that's great. Okay, let's freaking do this. Ow. Okay, the birds are gonna be so annoying. I'm so sorry. Sorry. So this is how I've been spending my reading week so far. Friday, I don't think I did anything. Probably just slept. Yeah, that sounds about right. I probably just sat there. Saturday, went out with the girlies. Okay, anyways, we have our felt here. I have 6 sheets of it. Now, I need to figure out what cow spots look like. So I have my trusty Mac. Wow, when you're in the middle of watching a YouTube video, oh, cow spots. I'm still sick. Okay, these are honestly kind of ugly. It literally looks like black and white camo. Right, ladies? No? Yay. Okay. That song's freaking stuck in my head. Okay, anyways. 16-year-old bitch! They check it to 10. Okay, I always heard the song like on people's stories, like at parties, whenever I go out, like I always hear the song, and I always heard about the title, but I never linked the title to the song. There's always that, like, I guess it's a meme, like people will be like, when Mo Mama is playing, and it's like there's a party, and then like the floor is collapsing because everyone's like, bah, 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 bah. I party. I listen to rap. Also. Okay, anyways, thanks Yanni and Laurel. So freaking rude. Guys, thank you. Anyways, so I think I'm gonna go. Okay, I think I'm gonna go with. Oh my god, you're so freaking rude! I'm gonna go with these spots. Ooh, should I freehand it? No, absolutely not. We're not gonna do that. See, I don't even have freaking crayons, because I could have just used a white crayon. Any crayon. I don't have crayons. This is literally not gonna show. Yeah, I don't know what I was thinking. Like, blue pen on black. Sure. You know what? I'm gonna freehand it because I don't know what else to do. I'm scared. Switching up the angle so that you guys can see what I'm freaking doing. Okay, so I'm gonna freaking do this. You know what? I'm just gonna do a little like squirmy. Okay, that looks like a spot. Oh, absolutely not, it doesn't. Okay. Oh, that looks so bad. Okay, I see you. Okay, this could work. I like that. Okay, I see you. Okay, 1 spot done. Okay, so I cut them up without using a freaking stencil or like drawing them first. I just kind of just, ooh, all around. They just look like normal spots. I don't know, like, oh, funky. I'm not gonna really start anywhere. I'm kind of just gonna place them as I go. Okay, so I'm gonna take this and then like put it right here on the side of the neckline. Also, I don't know how to sew, so please do not kill me. So I'm gonna take the black. Is there even a freaking thread? I mean, a needle? Oh, this is gonna be bad. Like, bad. What the freak is a needle? Whoa, this could be ASMR. Oh, perfect. This is exactly what I wanted. You know, I really needed some staples. Found one needle. I really don't trust myself. Oh my god. I don't know how much I need. So I'm just gonna go off. That's a mistake. No, I shouldn't do that. That means it's just gonna take so long to freaking get through. Okay, I see. Let's go with here. I have no idea what the hell I'm doing. Ari, please come save me. I don't know how to sew. Go. I believe in you. No! Oh my god. I can feel my eyesight getting worse and worse right now. How do people do this? Hell yeah, baby. Tie the thread. Ow! Oh my god, I just stabbed my freaking thumb. I should have just freaking glued it. Yes, queen. Oh, work it. Oh, that was not good. Damn, this really be the life when you got fake nails. Sorry. Yeah. Okay, got it. I'm kind of scared. So we're just gonna line this up real nice. I'm gonna start sewing from the inside just cause that's what I said. I actually don't know if this is how you should do it, but I'm so sorry, Lala, if you're watching this. I probably should have just asked you to help me with this, but alas, we are here today. Okay, so what do I do now? Am I supposed to tie a knot here? No, the knots are too big. Wait, oh my god, I messed up. Wait. Okay, I see. I see why we only double knot. I've never watched a tutorial on how to sew, so this is gonna be really fun and fresh. I'm gonna tie a knot right here using the end of the thread, just cause. There's a whole lot of love and not a bad day. Okay, got it. Let's freaking get this party going. I put my feelings on safety, and that's a whole lot of love, ain't trying to waste it. That's just too beautiful words, don't wanna taste it. And I'm done tripping, I'm tripping, I've been sipping, that's how I control. Oh my god. That's just too beautiful words, don't wanna face it. Tripping on you. Okay, hello, update. I finished the bodysuit. I think this is how I want it to look. I'm not really sure, but whatever. So it just looks like this. Oh, it definitely is missing one. Oh, I'm living. Okay, yeah, I should probably put one right there. Oh my god, where's the needle? Okay, almost stepped on that. I'll check back in probably like 4 hours. It's taken me so long, but it's fine. Anyways, bye. Here's the completed look. I even got some cute little socks from Forever 21. So yeah, I'm gonna be freezing, but it's fine. It's fine. I straightened my hair, put it in the middle part because that's what Doja Cat did. So that's what I'm gonna do. If you enjoyed this, please leave a like and a comment below. Subscribe for more crazy vids. Anyways, peace out, y'all. That's the tea. Okay, bye.